Around the world, digital transformation is changing the way people work, play, and connect with one another. Technology has the potential to bring about new and exciting possibilities, and even opportunities to those who embrace it. In Singapore, our infrastructure can undergo relentless upgrades, but technology cannot be harnessed to its fullest unless our people are equipped for the digital economy. Are you ready to accept the challenge?
I come to this workshop to learn about digital technology, how I can prepare myself for the future.
It's so amazing to see a lot of young and old people using the smartphones everywhere.
I'm lacking behind the technology and I'm not sure how I can use my knowledge in this running technology of the world.
I cannot find anybody that would have the patience to teach me, and I'm also very shy to show people that I'm ignorant.
I'm concerned about payments, banking, pay now, and all those technologies, and whether it's safe or not, whether I will be cheated or not, is it very dangerous? And I want to learn more to be more confident of using all this digital technology.
The workshop actually introduces us to a lot of digital technologies that is really used in every aspect of our lives, and especially important in the workplace where our economy is moving towards digital.
This workshop is for everybody who wants to be ready, to be future ready, to face the new world, the brave new world out there, how to use technology to be literate in the tech environment, and how to be a change agent, to be able to recognize ideas, problems, and use solutions that leverages and harness technology to help them eliminate some of these problems that they have.
Singapore has ambitions to be a smart nation, and to get there, we need a good infrastructure. But it's not just the infrastructure, we need the people to be ready as well. As they went along the course, they started to realize that number one, it's not as difficult as they thought it was. Number two, even at the portions that may be a bit challenging, all they needed was just to try a little bit, have a bit of a mindset shift, give it a go. Sometimes maybe if they get help from their friends or from other participants, and they realize that, hey, I can actually do it and it's not as difficult as I thought it was.
I learned about 3D printing, and I didn't know that 3D can do so many wonders, creating so many solutions for people. And I really love and enjoy this workshop very much.
Some of my group mates in the course said that they have a phobia of coming to this class the day before. But within one day, I was able to see the transformation from them, able to see how they fully embrace digital, even though some of them do not even have a data plan on their phone.
I really learned a lot on all the various apps. It builds my confidence because I realized it is not so difficult after all. Technology changes all the time, so we have to keep ourselves up to date. And as the Prime Minister said, we have to be a smart nation, so we have to work smart.
There's no barrier to learning. Even for me at this age, I'm 72 years old, and I find it really inspiring.
This workshop is very enriching.
It was a really eye-opening experience for me.
Truly educational.
Challenge accepted.